Hello everyone, I am Seema. Today I am going to discuss about the sutures or what are the suturing techniques, how many types of sutures which is available in the market. Okay, so first, what do you mean by suture? Suture means the things or material which is used to close the wound, to close the broken skin. That is suture. Okay, and suture means the things which is useful to close the broken skin, to cover the broken skin. Suture is divided into two types: absorbable suture and non-absorbable suture. Absorbable suture means the suture which is absorbed by the body enzyme or digested by the enzyme. Non-absorbable suture means which is not absorbable or not digested by the enzyme. एब्जॉर्बेबल सुचर जो होता है वो बॉडी के एंजाइम से ही इंजेस्ट कर लिया जाता है. आफ्टर सम टाइम जैसे ही उसका वर्क पीरियड खत्म होता है उसके बाद वो बॉडी के थ्रू ही वो एब्जॉर्ब कर लिया जाता है. इन एब्जॉर्प्शन सुचर, एब्जॉर्बेबल सुचर जो सुचर है वो कुछ पर्टिकुलर टाइम के लिए रहेगा. मतलब फॉर एग्जाम्पल 6 days, 7 days, समटाइम्स 60 days, 80 days, एंड आफ्टर द पर्टिकुलर टाइम पीरियड इट विल डिजॉल्व. ओके, इट विल डिजॉल्व. बट नॉन एब्जॉर्बेबल सुचर इज परमानेंट सुचर. मतलब आपने अगर एक बार नॉन एब्जॉर्बेबल सुचर यूज किया है तो वो हमेशा के लिए रहेंगे. ठीक है. बेसिकली दिस नॉन एब्जॉर्बेबल सुचर इज यूजफुल इन डीपेस्ट एरिया. डीपेस्ट मतलब इंटरनली एंड डीपेस्ट एरिया, जहां पे हम बार बार उससे रिमूव नहीं कर सकते सुचर्स को. मतलब एक बार इंटरनल ऑर्गन में अगर हमने नॉन एब्जॉर्बेबल सुचर को स्टिच कर दिया फिर हमें उसको परमानेंटली रहने देना है अगर वो इंटरनली है. इफ वी आर यूजिंग दिस नॉन एब्जॉर्बेबल सुचर इनटू द स्किन और सुपरफिशियली, सो आफ्टर सम टाइम आफ्टर क्लोजिंग द वुंड वी कैन रिमूव द स्टिचेस. बट एब्जॉर्बेबल सुचर इज एब्जॉर्ब्ड, नो नीड टू रिमूव. ओके, द टाइप्स और क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ द sutures, how many types of sutures which is available. Basically it is divided into two types. Already we have discussed absorbable and non-absorbable, but it is further divided into many types. So now we will see or we will discuss one by one.
The absorbable suture is further divided into two types: synthetic and natural. Synthetic means we will make the suture by some synthesis some materials. Okay, so in this synthetic suture, the first suture is vicral. Okay, vicral suture. This vicral suture is used to suture intestine, peritoneum or soft tissue. You can say the vicral suture is used to suture the soft tissues of the skin. ठीक है, सॉफ्ट टिश्यू को हम सुचर करने के लिए वाइक्रल का यूज करते हैं. सेकेंड सुचर दैट इज मोनोक्रिल. दिस मोनोक्रिल you can see this monocril is violet in color. Okay, it can come in both, it is come in both color, violet as well as clear color, and this monocril is used to stitch the dermis layer or closure of the dermis layer, and also used in face. The third suture that is PDS means polydexon suture. This polydexon suture is useful to suture for the microsurgery as well as it is also used in pediatric or cardiovascular surgery in the pediatric. And this polydexon suture is also used in Whipple's procedure. Whipple's procedure, it is a procedure in which if the patient is having pancreas cancer, so one procedure is performed, one surgery is performed, and this surgery is known as pancreatoduodenectomy. In this, इसमें क्या होता है कि पैंक्रियास के जिस भी हेड वाले एरिया में अगर कैंसर है तो उस एरिया को कट करके ड्यूडेनम के पार्ट के साथ अटैच किया जाता है, एंड दिस प्रोसीजर इज नोन एज Whipple's procedure. And this PDS means polydexon suture is useful for the Whipple's procedure. Then in the natural suture, the first suture that is plain catgut suture. Nowadays it is not in use in human body in some country, but it is replaced by some synthetic suture, and it is replaced by synthetic suture like vicral. Okay, and retention of this plain catgut suture is about 7 days. मतलब ये 7 days तक बॉडी में रहता है और 7 days के बाद ये ऑटोमेटिक एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है. Then the next suture that is chromic catgut suture. This chromic catgut suture is high knot pull tensile strength because of it have more than retention time as compared to normal catgut suture, plain catgut suture, because in chromic catgut suture it have retention time is about 14 days. Okay, then so it is all about the absorbable suture. In absorbable suture it is further divided into two types, synthetic and natural. In synthetic, vicryl, monocryl and polydextron suture, and in natural, plain catgut and chromic catgut suture. Second thing that is non-absorbable suture, and it is further divided into two types, synthetic and natural. मतलब non-absorbable suture भी दो पार्ट में dividation है, synthetic and natural. In the synthetic, nylon, proline, novafil and polyester fiber, and the natural, surgical suture, you can say silk surgical suture, and surgical cotton and surgical steel. In this, the first, that is nylon. The nylon suture is used for general closure skin and plastic surgery. And second one, that is proline suture. This proline suture is useful for facial wound, or it is also used for cosmetic surgeries. Then second one is the next one, that is the polyester fiber suture, and this polyester fiber suture is excellent tensile strength and choice for the cardiovascular and ophthalmic surgery. Then we will come on the natural non-absorbable suture. In this, the main suture, that is silk surgical or surgical silk suture, and it is useful for the GI system or skin suturing.
Techniques of suture. Techniques of suture, it is divided into many types. The first technique, that is interrupted suture. Interrupted. Up from name you can see interruption. मतलब in between the suture it is interruption. Means in the intermittent suture, interrupted suture, when the first suture is done, means आपने एक बार suturing की and one suture in each, after each suture you have to make a knot. मतलब एक बार suture करने के बाद आपको उसमें knot देना है. Then cut the remaining portion. Okay, and again stitch another part, another next area, then suture it and knot it. मतलब इन इंटरप्टेड सुचर, एक जितने भी बार आप उसमें सुचर लगाओगे, जितने स्टिचेस आपको लगाने, उस हर एक स्टिचेस में आपको नॉट लगाना है, और नॉट लगाने के बाद उसे आफ्टर जो भी एक्स्ट्रा है उसको कट करना है. सो दैट इज इंटरप्टेड सुचर. मतलब इन इंटरप्टेड सुचर नॉट इन ईच स्टिचेस. ओके, हर एक स्टिच में एक एक दो नॉट आपको लगाने हैं. मतलब एक बार आपने स्टिच किया, एक दोनों साइड को पकड़ के फिर आपको नॉट लगाना है, अगेन कट किया, फिर अगेन मेक अनदर स्टिच, do this stitch and make a knot. Then second one is, that is continuous suture. In continuous suture, whenever you are going to start the suturing, so first make the सबसे पहले आपने suturing किया, make the first stitch and make the knot. मतलब एक सुचर करने के बाद, एक एरिया स्किन को सुचर करने के बाद आपको नॉट लगाना है. एंड वी विल नॉट कट. इन कंटिन्यूअस सुचर में आपने सबसे स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पे सुचर लगाया और सुचर करने के बाद नॉट लगाया, देन वी विल डू कंटिन्यूएशन. मतलब नॉट लगाने के बाद हम एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट को कट नहीं करेंगे. एट द सेम सुचर वी विल डू कंटिन्यूएशन, वी विल डू द स्टिच इन कंटिन्यूएशन मैनर. जैसे हम सुई धागे से किसी भी चीज को स्टिच करते हैं, वैसे ही उस सुचर में कंटिन्यूएशन सुचरिंग करनी है. एट द लास्ट, जहां पे एंड होगा, वुंड का जो लास्ट पार्ट होगा, जब हम वहां पे स्टिच करेंगे, एट दैट पॉइंट वी विल मेक द नॉट. मतलब इन कंटिन्यूएशन और कंटिन्यूअस सुचर में first we will make the knot in initial point where we are going, where we have started the closing, and at the end point. Okay, and there is no interruption. बीच में आपका इंटरप्शन नहीं है. आपने एक ही सुचर को लिया और कहीं पे भी कटिंग नहीं किया. कटिंग कब होगा? एट द लास्ट पॉइंट ऑफ द सुचर, जहां पे लास्ट होगा, वुंड का एंड होगा, वहां पे सुचरिंग करनी है. So the next method of suturing, that is mattress suture. In the mattress suture, first we will start the suturing from far. मतलब जो वुंड है, हम सुचर स्टार्ट करेंगे वुंड के फार एरिया में. मतलब जो कटिंग होगा, जहां पे ओपन वुंड होगा, सो फार एरिया से स्टार्ट करेंगे. एंड आफ्टर द इंसर्शन ऑफ इनटू द फार एरिया, देन वी विल रिवर्स द निडल. I will show with the help of video. Then reverse the needle and make near stitches. with the same. So technique I will show you. So that is mattress suture. So here now I am going to show how to do the suturing into the layer of the skin or into the skin or muscular layer. So already we have discussed type of suturing, type of sutures which is present. Okay, so now here I am using the silk suture. Okay, so first I am going to hold this. You can see the part of the suture like this. Okay, this is a she shaped. So before start the suturing, we have to hold, and I have taken this needle holder. You can see this is needle holder. Okay, this is needle holder. Into the with the help of this hole or opening, you can see in inner side of the needle holder, it is look like a eye. So this is the identification of this needle holder. Okay, so first hold the needle like this with the help of needle holder. See, okay, here I have hold it and I have covered this 1/3 part only. आपको 1/3 part में ही needle holder को hold करके रखना है. Okay, like this. Then lock the needle holder and start the procedure. First I am going to show the first suturing technique. This is continuous suturing techniques. Okay, continuous. So first hold the area and start like this. You can see here I am using one sheet. Okay, to after that, okay, take this part, rotate like this. You have to take 2 round, then make a knot here, tight knot. Okay, then again take a round of this like this and hold the tip and do like this. So here one knot is completed. Now again start the next suturing, next suture. Okay, then hold the area like this. Again start and no need to tie or knot because it is continuous suture. आपको यहाँ पे टाई knot लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है because ये continuous suture है and continuously you can like this. So it is a type of continuous suture. Here, if your wound is in last area, or you have cover all the area of wound, then make the knot into the last of the wound. Okay, it means in the continuous suture, make the knot into both corner, into the both corner. Okay, so here the suturing is over, continuous suture, and make the knot. Okay, so last suturing you have to make the knot in last, मीन्स जो नॉट आपको लगाना है वो दोनों एरिया में लगाना है, लास्ट में. ठीक है, then hold the tag like this. Like this.
So here continuous suturing is over. Now we will discuss about the mattress suturing technique. Mattress suturing technique means far and near. Okay, so in this mattress suturing technique, start the pierce the skin surface at 4 mm away from the wound edge. 4 mm away means far. You can see in this. Then turn back your needle, means turn your needle backward. Hold 1/3 portion and stitch near with 1 to 2 mm of the wound edge. You have to ensure that take symmetrical bits on each side. Then knot is tied over the wound edge where the initial pass of the suture was placed. जहाँ से हमने suture start किया था उसी place पे ही हमें knot बनाना है. Like this. And cut the remaining portion of the suture and again start another suture, another stitch. And after that, tie the knot at the initial point. So here it is finished.